MultiBite Extreme is TIFCO's line of high-performance wood screws that drill and countersink in one motion without the need for pre-drilling a pilot hole or making a countersink hole. Now, there are a few key design features here that make this screw so easy to use. First of all, it has a specially cut tip right here. This acts just like a pilot drill, and the cutting pockets on the edge right here act just like a countersink. These head blades can drive into the wood and create extra clamping force. Now, you know the nice thing about these screws is they still have a 90-degree taper right here. So you can see that they will fit in a pre-countersunk hardware like hinges or locks without any modification. Now, this makes the screw extremely versatile. Now, this screw right here, I'm sure you guys are fairly familiar with, has a blunt tip and no cutting edges, which means this screw either needs a pilot hole or it is going to push and press the wood out of the way and cause a crack and a horrible assembly. Now here, I'm going to go ahead and drill this screw inside of this piece of block. Now, we've all heard that before. That's the sound of that screw camming out. That wasn't very good, was it? If I would have just used TIFCO's MultiBite, I would have been able to increase my assembly time. Now, I barely even pushed on that screw right there, and it pretty much drove itself into that wood. Now, let me show you how great this screw really is, as if that last demonstration wasn't enough. Here, I have a nice thick piece of oak, and hardwoods are incredibly difficult to drill through. And first up is our trusty Phillips zinc-plated wood screw. Now we'll step over here and give it a shot. Now, I'm not putting a pilot hole in this hardwood, so it's really difficult for it to start catching on. There it goes. Oh, we've heard that before. And it's cammed out and stripped. Now, next up is a TIFCO MultiBite. Let's see just how good this screw is. Again, not putting a pilot hole in this, and it cuts in so much easier. And just like that, I have a cleanly driven assembly in that hard oak wood. Another thing you will notice is that the fastener blends into the wood a lot better. Now, this coating isn't just for looks. The coating is actually a specially designed Climatech coating that will keep these fasteners from rusting. The zinc plating on this fastener right here will last about 100 to 200 hours in a standard salt spray test. The gold Climatech coating on the MultiBite will last for over 1,200 hours. Now, that's about 10 times the corrosion resistance, which will keep your assemblies looking good for years after the installation. TIFCO's MultiBite. Make your jobs easier, faster, and last as long as you need them. TIFCO offers the MultiBite Extreme screws in various assortments, including the standard with the Climatech coating, the MultiBite Extreme with stainless steel, the Extreme structural screw assortments, as well as the Extreme concrete screw assortment. All these are designed to conveniently fit in your material maintenance system. Now let's go over a few key features for TIFCO's MultiBite Extreme. The screw quickly sets itself and countersinks in one pass without the need for a pilot drill or countersink. The 90-degree head matches up with pre-countersunk hardware like door hinges and door locks, and the gold Climatech coating is 10 times more corrosion resistant than conventional zinc-plated wood screws. Another great feature is the Torx drive. With 6 points of contact, it eliminates stripping or camming out, especially in tough-to-drill materials or hard woods.